Guys, now you might be thinking that who we are and why we are here and why this man is guiding you. Before telling you that, let me introduce you to myself. Hello guys, myself Farhan Sheikh, the CEO of Wealth Creation. Now, you might be thinking, what is Wealth Creation? Wealth Creation is a traders platform. Here, we have trained over 2000 plus students. During this period, many students came to me and they told, sir, I know these basics, I know this concept, I know this theory. Therefore, for this problem, I have launched my new concept of only strategy learning. Let me explain you guys. I have tested this theory since last 4 years and believe me, I got the unbelievable results. My losses are now converted into my profits. If I want to describe my trading journey in one line, then I will say these theories have changed my trading career. Let me tell you one more thing guys. These strategies has helped me to bring me out of my bad phase of trading. Now according to me, it's your time to get out of your bad phase of trading just by learning these 3 simple strategies. So what you are waiting for? Just scroll down and check the details given below.